Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Monday, January 14, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today. Candle, it's made a higher high and a higher low in line with the previous day's candle, an uptrend, and prior to that also an uptrend. Some doubt whether this market will continue trending up. We have a spinning top type candle, and spinning tops are candles of indecision. If we also look at the size of the body of this current candle, it's drastically reduced over the previous three trading periods. It's certainly half the size of the previous trading period, and that was half the size of the trading period prior to that. And this is a classic way that a strong trend will terminate, where at the beginning of the trend there's a lot of bullishness, and then a lack of momentum from the bulls. The bulls start to decrease in power, and then today a severe lack of power from the buyers, and that's evidenced by the small size in the body of the candle, and it does set the market up for a potential change of trend. With this candle we also have the shadow on the top and the shadow on the bottom, and that denotes a price rejection from the level up around 134, but also price rejection from roughly around the 133.20 level, and that's why there's indecision in this market, where the sellers weren't strong enough to maintain the market up at the highs. The buyers weren't strong enough to maintain the market up at the highs, and the sellers weren't strong enough to maintain the market down at the lows. So it does raise some doubt about the continuation of this trend to the upside. Now, if we do see this change of trend, however, this 133.20 level is a very, very important level. Previously it's been very solid resistance to this market and will offer itself as very strong support, so we do need to be aware of that. Now, if this trend does continue to the upside, there's no major resistance until the market trades up to the 134.85 level, so let's watch that. But we do really need to watch the low of the current candle for a potential lower high and lower low because of this indecisive spinning top type candle and the loss of momentum by the buyers. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, quite an important event taking place here. We're examining the relationship of the first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market was trending up, and here we see this indecisive trading exactly at the 261.8% level. So the high is traded exactly to that level, and we've now got indecisive trading. We see a distinct lack of momentum from the buyers here. It certainly suggests that there is strong potential for the market to start trending down. The Fibonacci retracement of the prior downtrend doesn't really give us any clues here. For the previous day's trading, the market traded in a fairly strongly bullish manner through the 261.8%. The next target was the 423.6, up around 134.75, but we now have this indecisive trading, so no clues here. This suggests that there is potential for the market to trade to the upside, but certainly that potential is not backed by anything that we're seeing from the buyers at the moment. In terms of Ichimoku, a bullish market in all three timeframes. We're trading up above the cloud, above the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen here, so bullish in the long term, medium and fast term timeframes, and the Chiká span is above the corresponding price action. So that's confirming this bullishness that we're seeing. Now, in a bullish market, obviously we don't maintain first time frame uptrends continuously, and the way this market is looking is that there is potential for this market to have a rest. The buyers have exhausted to some degree. I suggest that this market may move sideways to a degree, test to the 133.20 level or just below there and find some support, and then eventually the trend to the upside is likely to continue. Crucial to this market over the next trading day, however, is how the market reacts around the high and the low of this current candle. If we see bullish trading up towards the high and trading beyond there, then that does suggest that there is strong potential for the market to continue trending up and test up to 134.85. If we see a bullish test down below the low and down below the 133.20 level, it may suggest that the market is destined for lower levels, but 133.20 is really quite crucial here.